Hello everyone, I am Karan Jain and I welcome you back on our channel Pably. Today in this video we will learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of your astrology business, digital marketing for astrologers. Okay, so imagine you are into astrology business and you have recently set up your office. Now you have advertised about your office on Facebook. Okay, the problem is whenever a new lead is generated through your advertisement on Facebook, you have to send them the brochure. Okay, but again the problem is if you'll follow the manual process, you have to first collect the data of a new lead, then you have to manually type a message for them, then you have to add the link of the brochure, and finally you will send it to your customer on WhatsApp. This process is very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, you have advertised about your office on Facebook, okay? Now, whenever a customer will enter your advertisement, automatically a form will pop up. On successful submission of the form, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So for that, I've used two applications here. First, I've used Facebook. I've used this platform to advertise about my office, astrology office. And secondly, I've used WhatsApp. You know, it's a famous chatting app to send them the message with the link of the brochure. But here I have to face one more problem. The problem is there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pably Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pably Connect? So Pably Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together so that every time a new lead is generated through your advertisement and on successful form submission, they will submit the form successfully, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pably Connect, you need not to be from a technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen.
Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is how exactly the form will appear in front of our customers. Okay, the customers will fill up this form and on successful form submission, they will receive a WhatsApp web message. So here I have opened my WhatsApp web page for you. As soon as we will enter the details, we will submit the form on behalf of our customer. The customer will receive the message here in this WhatsApp web page. So here, let's see the email ID of our customer is tina000@gmail.com. This is the name, Tina Manuel, and the number you can see on my screen. Now I'll click on next and I'll click on submit. So we have successfully submitted the form. Now we will go to our WhatsApp webpage and we will wait for 2-3 seconds and the message will appear here. Okay guys, as you can see, a message has just arrived for Tina Manuel which says, "Hello Tina Manuel, thank you for showing your interest in astrology services. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our astrology service. Link is given to you. This is the link. For more details, you can visit our website www.astrology.com. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, astrology service." Okay guys, this link is not clickable because we haven't saved the number. So if you'll save the number, the link will be clickable. It will become a hyperlink. Now I'll copy this link and let me show it to you in a new tab, whether the link takes us to the same brochure or not, which I want to send to my customers. Yes guys, you can clearly see this is the particular PDF file which I wanted to send to my customers. Okay, now you must be thinking how I have managed to send the PDF file, the link of the PDF file with the message on WhatsApp to our customer, just by filling up the form on behalf of our customer. So let me show you the process of integration on my screen guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pably Connect to Facebook lead ads with the help of webhook URL. So what we're going to do first is, we will log in into our Pably Connect account. Then we will integrate our first application which is Facebook lead ads with Pably Connect. Why? Because we have run an advertisement on our Facebook account from where the customers will reach to the form which they have to fill, and after that they will receive a WhatsApp message. So at first it is important to integrate Facebook lead ads with Pably Connect. Now step number 2 says collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pably Connect. Okay, So as soon as the customer will enter the advertisement, automatically a form will pop up in front of them. Now they have to enter the details in that form, and I want the details of that customer should get transferred into Pabbly Connect. So step number 2 says the same. Step number 3 says send the brochure to the customers on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So in the last step, we will be sending the customers the link of the brochure with the message. But guys, here we are not integrating WhatsApp. Instead, we are integrating 360 dialog. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software, that is official API of WhatsApp, which is 360 dialog. Okay, guys. So let's start with the process now. Okay, guys. To start with the process, you have to open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly. Remember, Pabbly. Press enter. And as you can see on my screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is come to product, and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are using Connect, so click on Connect. Okay, so we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect now. For the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, you have to click this, guys, and you can create your free account, completely free account, in just 2 minutes. Okay, because I'm already logged in, I'll click on sign in. Okay, once again, you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. As you know, today we are using Connect, so come on Connect and click on access now. So guys, we have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and this is how the dashboard looks. Okay, now we have to create a new workflow. You can see at my right corner, a blue button is given to you which says create new workflow. I'll click this, and a mini box will emerge in front of you. Now you have to name your workflow here. Okay, so let's say I will name my workflow as Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay, so I've given the name of my workflow as the two applications name which I am integrating today. You can name your workflow accordingly. Okay, now I'll click on create. And we have entered the workflow. Here we will be performing the steps of integration. Okay, you can see the name of the title which I have given, Facebook to WhatsApp. Now guys, let me give you one important information. The workflow which we are creating today, this current workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box. So you can go to my description box, click on the link, and you can directly clone the same workflow into your Pabbly Connect account. Okay, so don't forget to go and check the link. Now let's read out first what it is written here. It is written, trigger when this happens, choose your first application trigger, action do this, choose your next application action. Now you people must be thinking, what is this trigger and what is this action? So let me tell you, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. In this case, trigger event will be submission of the form. Okay, so we have run an advertisement on our Facebook account where the customers will reach to our advertisement, and when they will enter the advertisement, a form will pop up. Now, when they will fill up the form, the successful submission of the form is our trigger event. And what is the response? What response we want? We want automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to them with the link of the brochure. So you understood, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay. Now, let's integrate our first application. For that, you have to click on your first application, come to the search field. And here you have to search for Facebook lead ads. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Now a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of me. If you'll click this arrow, you can see the trigger event. I want to choose this particular trigger event, new lead. So I'll choose this, and now I'll click on connect. A mini window will emerge in front of you asking for 2 options, add new connection and choose existing connection. So I'll click on add new connection, and now I'll click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay. Let it load. Okay, so I've been successfully authorized then. Now you can see we have to fill up 2 fields. First field is asking us for the page, and second it is asking for the lead generation form. So here we have to map the page which we have created for this workflow. So let me take you to my account, Facebook account, and let me show you the page which I have created for the workflow. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my Facebook account. Okay, now come to the left corner. Here you can see some options are given. See for the pages, click on pages. Okay, now here you can see on my screen, these are the various pages I have created for different workflow. Now let me show you the particular page I have created for this workflow. Here you can see astrology services. I'll click this and let me show you the page. Okay, So guys, this is the particular page. Now I want to map this page in my Pabbly Connect account. So how I'll map the page, let me show it to you. Let me go back to my Pabbly Connect account first. So guys, this is, we are back to our Pabbly Connect account. Here, come to the page section, click on the arrow, and here you have to search for the particular page. So our page name was Astrology Service. I'll click this, okay. And automatically the form which is integrated with this page will appear in front of you, okay. Now I'll click on save. Now let me show you the form, guys, how the form will appear to the customer. But before that, let me show it, let me tell it to you that I haven't run any live advertisement on my Facebook account, so I cannot show you the form, how the customers will reach the form from our Facebook account. But I'm using a website called Facebook for Developers. So that is a test website. There I'll be showing you an example how the customers will see the form, and we will fill up the form, okay. So let me take you to the website first and let me show you the form. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is how exactly the form will appear to our customers, okay. Now customers will fill up this form. I'll fill up this form on behalf of our customer. Let's say our customer's email ID is sam000@gmail.com. Okay, and our customer's name is Sam John. And let me put the mobile number. Okay, so this is the mobile number. And now I'll click on next and now submit. So guys, we have successfully submitted the form. Now let's go to our Pabbly Connect account and we will see how the responses can be captured there. Okay guys, come back to your Pabbly Connect account and now click on save and send test request, and we will see if the responses has been successfully captured here or not. As you can see, the responses has been successfully captured here. You can see the email ID, the name and the number. So we have successfully integrated our first application with Pabbly Connect. Now we'll jump to our next and final step, which is integrating 360 dialog. Now here we are using 360 dialog to send messages to our customers on WhatsApp, because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. So I'll click this field of next application, come to the search field, and here I'll search for 360 dialog. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And now a new field of action event has emerged in front of me. If I'll click this arrow, I can see the various action event in the scroll down. I want to choose this particular action event, which is send template message. So I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. Mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options, which is add new connection and choose existing connection. So I'll click on add new connection, and now guys, it is asking me to fill up two fields. First, it is asking to fill API key and then domain. So let's read out the description first and let's see from where we can find the API key. Here it is written, enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Okay, and in the domain, enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key, example wawa.360dialog.io. Okay guys, so let me take you to my account on 360 dialog first. As you can see on my screen, this is my account on 360 dialog. Now, if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 dialog or how I have created my account on 360 dialog, so for that I have created a separate video, and we have added the link of that video in our description box. Okay. Now, one more thing guys, we have added one more link in our description box. Now, if you'll go through that link, you can avail the services of 360 dialog at very affordable prices instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links. Okay. Now let me show it to you from where you can find the API key. Come to the left corner here, you can see three options are given to you. Click on WhatsApp accounts. Come to the right corner below and you can see a blue button is given to you which says generate API key. Guys, you have to click this button and you can generate your API key. Now it's a one-time process. The generating API key process is a one-time process. You need not to do again and again. With the API key, the domain will be generated as well, and the same API key and the domain can be used for different workflows. Okay, so you don't have to generate the API key again and again. Okay. Now I have already generated my API key. As I have told you, it's a one-time process. I'll copy the API key and the domain. I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account and here I'll paste it accordingly under API key and under domain. Now I'll click on save and I'll be successfully authorized in back to my workflow. Guys, because of some security reasons, I cannot show you this process, but this process is very simple. Let me tell it to you again. In the 360 dialog account here, where it is written generate API key, you have to click here. Once the API key will be generated along with the domain, you have to simply copy the API key and the domain, go back to Pabbly Connect account and simply paste it here accordingly. Now click on save and you will be successfully authorized in back to your workflow. Okay. So we will meet directly in our workflow. Let me complete this process, guys. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, we have been successfully authorized in back to our workflow. Now we have to fill up the required field. The first field is asking us for the template. So let me show it to you first. What is template? If I'll go back to my account on 360 dialog. Now besides generate API key, it is written show details. So I'll click here and at the top you can see three options are given to you. I'll click on templates and now you can see the various templates which I have created for different workflow. For this particular workflow, let me show it to you the template which I have created. If I'll come down here, you can see the template name send brochure final. Let me open it for you. So guys, you can read the message here. Template is nothing but just the body of SMS which will be sent to our customers. Let me read it for you. Hello, thank you for showing your interest in. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our link. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, 6. Okay. Now, you must be thinking, guys, what are these numbers in double boxes and why they are given here? So let me tell you, these numbers are nothing but they are just the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of our student. For example, in the place of 1, the name of our customer will come. So let me show it to you how it works. As soon as I'll enter the name of my customer in body field 1, automatically the number will change to its value which we have entered. So this is just for an example. I'm showing it to you. Same goes with body field 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we will enter the details accordingly. Now let me tell you how you can create your template. Okay. If you'll go up, at the right corner, you can see a blue button is given to you which says add template. If you click this, the format of template will appear in front of you. Now you can name the template here. You can choose the language, in which particular language you want the body of SMS. And finally, you will type the message here, the body of SMS. Okay. Now, after creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit. And guys, you have to send the template for approval. Okay. The approval process is done by Facebook and the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. Guys, it is very important to approve your template, because without the approval you cannot use your template. Here, let me show it to you. All my templates are already approved, as you can see on my screen. Okay, that's why I can use the template for workflows. Now I want to map the particular template which I have shown it to you, which I have created for this workflow. I want to map that template in my Pabbly Connect account. So I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account. I'll come to the field of templates. Now I'll click on this arrow, and I'll search for the particular template which is send brochure final. Okay. Before that, let me show it to you. Here you can see all the templates. So these templates are the same templates which are there in my Pabbly Connect account. And here you can see the particular template which I have shown it to you was send brochure final. I'll click this. Okay. So I have successfully mapped the template, and now let it load for a second. Now this field, 2 fields, you don't have to do anything about namespace and language code. These 2 fields will be automatically be filled up. Now here in the language code, it is written EN. Guys, EN is the code for English. If I'll show it to you here in my 360 dialog account, under the language section, you can see here EN, it is written everywhere. So this shows that all our templates are in the English language and EN is the code for English. So you need not to do anything about these 2 fields. Now come to your next field, which is recipient mobile number. Guys, we have to map the recipient mobile number. But before that, let me tell you what is mapping data. Okay. If you'll click this field, you can see a scroll down will appear in front of you. Now if you'll click this scroll down, you can see the responses here. Now these responses are the same responses which we have captured above here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, you can see. Now this option of mapping data is given to you by Pabbly, because whenever you are required to fill up the fields, the value in the fields, you need not to go up, search for the value, copy it, come down and paste it. Instead, you can simply map the data. How? Click on the search field, click on the scroll down, search for the particular value. It is asking for the mobile number. Click here and you have successfully mapped the value. Now the body fields have started. I have already shown it to you how the body fields work. The body fields work. Now in front of every body field, the example is given to you. So according to the example, you can enter the value. Okay, in body field 1, the example is given Heather Ali. So here we have to map the name of our customer. Okay, how? I'll click the arrow, I'll come to the scroll down. Here I'll search for the particular value. It is asking for the name. I'll map this. Now in the body field 2, it is asking, in the example, it is written Pabli Connect. So here we have to enter the name of our services, astrology services. Okay. So the name of our astrology service provider is Astrology Services. Okay. Now in the body field 3, in the example, it is given software. So here we have to write the product name, what we are offering. We are offering astrology services. Okay, so this is the name of your company here, which is Astrology Service, and this is the product name or the service which you are providing. We are providing astrology service. Okay, so accordingly we have written here. Guys, one more thing, when you will create your template, you can keep the variables according to yourself. Here I have keeping my variables according to myself. Okay, you can add or subtract the variables as much as you want in the template. Now in the body field 4, in the example, it is given a link is given to you. So guys, here we have to add the link of the brochure which we want to send to our customers. So I have uploaded the PDF file of my brochure in my Google Drive account. Let me take you to my Google Drive account first, and let me show it to you, the PDF file. Okay guys, so this is my account on Google Drive. Okay, here I have uploaded the PDF file. Let me show it to you. So this is the PDF file, astrology PDF. Let me show it to you how the PDF looks. Okay, here you can see this is the PDF file which we will send to our customers. Okay, now I want to copy the link of this PDF file. What I'll do, I'll come to the right corner where it is written more options. I'll click this, and now I'll click on share. Okay, so here let's read where it is written get link. Beside it, it is written anyone on the internet with this link can view. Okay, now I can copy the link. I'll go back to my Pabli Connect account, and simply I'll paste it here. Simple. Now in body field 5, it is written the example is given www.pabli.com. So here we have to enter the website name. Let's say the website name is astrology.com. Okay. Now in body field 6, again in the example, it is written Pabli. So again we have to write the name of our service provider, Astrology Services. Okay, so guys, we have successfully filled up all the details. Let's see once again. Okay, we have mapped the template. Now we have mapped the recipient number, the name of our customer, the name of our service provider, the service we are providing, here the link of the brochure. Okay, the website name, and finally again the name of our service provider. So I'll click on save and send test request, and we will see what are the responses, if they are positive or not, or if there is any error it is showing. No guys, the responses are completely positive. As you can see on my screen, there is no error it is showing to us. So let me take you to my WhatsApp webpage, and let me show it to you how the customer has received the message. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, a message has just arrived for Sam John which says, "Hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in astrology services. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our astrology services. Here, the link is given to you. For more details, you can visit to our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the link above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Astrology Services." Now let me copy the link and show it to you if the link takes us to the same PDF file which we want to send to our customers or not. So I'll paste the link in the new tab, and let's see. Yes guys, you can clearly see the same PDF file I wanted to send to my customers, and the customer has successfully received the message with the link of the PDF file. Now let me take you back to my Pabli Connect account. So guys, the workflow which we have created today, this present workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box. So you can go to my description box, okay, and click on the link, and you can directly clone the same workflow into your Pabli Connect account. So don't forget to go and check the link, guys.
Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.